Welcome to Tips and Tricks for April 2025. This month we will learn how to export documents from Archive for Audits.
Just going to do a quick little search. Just grab all the documents related to an order here. Mark them. And mark documents. Check them all off and HTML export. All right, so for the sub IDs, we could just leave that blank and it'll get all of them. Otherwise, you can just list out the specific ones that you want. Target path can be full path anywhere on the UnForm server, or it could just be a simple name like that. If you do it as a simple name, it will get exported to this folder here under the UnForm directory. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So just run that. So we are HTML exports, and then we can just view this HTML document right here and look at our documents. All right, and so this folder here is completely self-contained, so it can be moved anywhere and it'll work just fine. It's pretty much all there is to it.
Thank you, Jared. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, contact Dan Schmitt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm Tips and Tricks, thank you. We'll see you next month.